ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends.
With 100 butter, 100 granulate sugar, 2 green egg, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 tablespoon extract strawberry, buttercream, and speckle. The first, melt butter and chill, then heat steamer with a clean cloth. Mix and sieve wet flour together with baking powder. Set aside. Shake egg and granulate sugar up to expand with high speed and enter strawberry extract. After expand, lower speed, mixer be low. Enter flour little by little up to well blended. Turn off mixer, then enter butter liquid that has been poured little by little into the dough while stirred fast and flat. Use spatula or spoon. To the mold cupcake small. Enter mold into the steamer during 15 minutes. Ornamental cupcake with frosting, buttercream, and speckle. Finally, cupcake ready it.
If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world